You ready, Samantha?
Yep.
Everybody say hey to Samantha. She's going to be my assistant in this video. This video is going to teach you how to do an easy card trick to impress your friends. This card trick is so easy, it does itself. You don't even have to do anything but follow these simple steps, and you will impress the crap out of your friends. They will love this. It's called the 4-island card trick. I'm going to do the card trick first, and then we're going to let Samantha do it to show you how easy it is. Alright, there are 4 islands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 islands. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And you show Samantha, as I tell the story, show her expression.
Okay.
Okay, there are 4 islands. A genie washed ashore of the islands, right? And he became king of the islands. Well, now we have a king on the island, and a mermaid washed ashore of the islands, washed on shore, and she fell in love with the genie, and she married the king and became what? Queen of the islands. That is right. Really easy. Well, you know what happened? King and queen got together on the islands and had a baby. Well, they named him Junior. So now we got Junior. Junior was walking along the beach one day, and he found some diamonds. Right? He said, "Mom, Dad, what'd I do with these diamonds?" And they said, "Well, go hide them. Go bury them somewhere." Well, he had never done that, so he tried to go out and dig a hole with a club. He beat the ground and beat the ground and beat the ground. He couldn't dig a hole. Went back to Mom and Daddy and said, "Mama, I tried to dig a hole. It didn't work. Daddy, I beat that ground with a club so hard, it didn't do nothing but make dust." And he said, "Well, you big dummy, you have to use a spade." So he used a spade and dug a hole. Buried all of his diamonds. Right? Everything was great. He buried his diamonds and went back home. He was happy. Well, that night there was a big storm. The biggest hurricane they've ever seen. That wiped out all the islands. Island number 1 wiped out. Island number 2 wiped out. Island number 3 wiped out. Island number 4 wiped out. Right? All back to the way it was in the beginning. No islands, no genie, no mermaid, no junior, no diamonds, no spades, no clubs. So Samantha here is going to we're going to let her play the devil. She's going to make sure that this never happens in nature again. I want you to take as many of these cards you want. Make sure you hold on to them and put them right here, right beside it. All right? That's the stack you moved, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put these on top. That's called cutting the deck. Now I want you to take some more off the top and put them right beside. There you go. We'll take these and put these on top. Well, you do it again.
Do what you did?
No, you take
Okay.
the same thing you've been doing. Just cut it. There you go. Take these and put them on top. What we're doing is mixing the cards up, right? They're getting mixed up when we do that. I don't know how many cards you're moving. Do it again. Okay. You think they mixed up? You want to do it one more time, make sure?
Yeah, let's do it one more time.
There you go. There you go. She decided to do it herself that time. All right. So, got the deck of cards in my hand. And what is God's number? A good lucky number for God? 7. Right? So we're going to pick 7. We're going to go with 7. We're going to make 7 piles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're just going to divvy them all out in those 7 piles because that's God's number. Because you know, no matter what the devil does in life, on earth, It's God's will, right?
Right.
Everything God wants done is done. Now take that one pile right there and turn it over. There's your diamonds. Turn that pile over. There's Junior. Turn that pile over. There's the mermaid. Turn that pile over. There's the king. Turn this pile over. There's your clubs. Turn that pile over. There's your spades. Turn that pile over, and there's your 4 islands.
It's crazy.
That is crazy, right? So we're gonna show everybody how easy this is to do. When you set up this trick, you want your aces. You got to get 4 aces, and then you need your kings. You put them on top of your aces. You put your queens on top of your kings. Jacks. Are you seeing this good?
Mm-hmm.
On top of that, and then we're going to get the diamonds, and I like to put them in order: 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we do our clubs. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we do our spades. 2, 3, 4, 5. You think you can do that card trick? Now Samantha's gonna do this card trick. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all how to do this card trick. It's really easy. There you go. Have you ever done this card trick before?
No.
All right. Have you ever even played with a deck of cards in your life?
No.
Right. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the top 4 cards and you're gonna lay them out right here. And you're going to say there are 4 islands, right? Tell the story.
There's 4 islands,
Right?
and then a king landed on the
A
island.
genie washed ashore
Yeah, a genie.
and become king of the islands, right? All you got to do is learn the story.
Then
Mermaid?
a mermaid came along, and he made her his queen.
There you go.
Then they had a son and named him Junior.
Junior went walking along the beach one day and found what?
Diamonds. He wanted to bury the diamonds, so it was a club.
Right? He tried to dig a hole with a club. That didn't work.
So his dad told him to dig it with a spade.
Right.
And then there was a storm or something, right?
Yeah, big hurricane.
And it washed all of it
Wiped
off.
them out, right? And you take that stack, turn it over. Same thing. Just make sure that you keep them in the order they're in. There you go. All right, now, there you go. Exactly. Put that stack on top of that, that on top of that, and that one on top of that. Okay. And then just squish them together. Keep them above the thing here so everybody can see them. That way they know you ain't doing nothing sneaky. All right. This card trick, like I said, does itself. There is no magic to this trick. There is no cards under the table. It does itself. You can do this at home, try it yourself, and you will be blown away. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want somebody to play the devil. Who's going to play the devil for you? You want me to play the devil?
No, you play.
All right, I'm going to play the devil. I'm gonna cut this deck. All right, when you cut a deck, you take as many cards you want to off the top, sit it beside, just like that. And then you always take the bottom, put it back on top. That's one cut. 2. 3. 4. It don't matter how many times you do this. You can cut this thing 100 times, 100 different ways. I could take one card off the top, put it on the bottom, put the rest on top of that card. Doesn't matter how many times you cut it, or how you cut it, or how many cards you pick up when you cut it. All right, the deck's all cut up. Has anybody else touched these cards or done anything funny to them?
No.
No, just you, right?
Mm-hmm.
The only thing I did was cut them. Now you're going to make 7 piles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because that's God's number, right?
Right.
7 days in a week. There you go, keep going. Just follow these simple steps and the card trick does itself. There's your kings, there's your queens, there's your junior, there's your islands, there's your diamonds, there's your clubs, there's your spades. Now you just did that card trick. You know how to do a card trick now.
Right.
That's pretty awesome. You can go and impress your friends with this new card trick you learned today. I learned this when I was about 15, 16 years old. And I didn't believe that it done itself until I went home and did it by myself. And I said, wow, that's amazing. It works. So there you go. Easiest card trick in the world. All you got to do is watch the video, do the steps, and impress your kids or impress your parents or your friends or anybody. And it's up to you if you want to tell them what the trick is. You know what the trick is? There's not a trick. It does it itself. Thank you for watching. And please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And tell Samantha thanks in the comments for her role in the card trick. Thank you.